Hi everyone, my name is Miss Lorena. Welcome to Crafty Monday. Today we are going to make a rainbow mobile. So you can hang this in your room, you can hang this outside, whatever you would like to do with it. So what you're going to need for this is just a piece of paper. I'm going to use white because I'm going to color on it. You can use whatever color paper you'd like. I have some scissors here. I do have a hole punch. If you don't have a hole punch though, you could always use tape. I have a pencil, and then I have some different color markers here to decorate my rainbow. And then you can use string, twine, whatever you have at home. I do have some twine here that I'm going to use for my mobile. So let's see. I'm going to take my piece of paper, and what you want to do is either fold it the tall way, it's up to you how long you want to have your rainbow, or you can fold it in half the short way. So I'm going to fold it in half the short way, so I'm going to just touch the edges together and then press it down. So now you see it looks like a little card. All right, so this just makes it easier to outline your rainbow and then cut it out. So I'm going to use my pencil here, and I'm going to just draw half of a circle, kind of. I'll show you in a minute. So I'm going to start off at the top. I'm going to give myself about an inch. You can make it as big or as small as you want. So we're going to start off at the edge, and I'm going to go around and down. Hopefully you can see my mark. Okay, you can. Alright, so I started up here, and then you kind of want to go down on the side, and then I will make a little line here to cut this edge off too, so it kind of looks like a round rainbow. There, so just that little corner piece. And then, so it depends on how many rainbows you want to make. I'm going to make 3. So this is 1. I'm going to make another line like that. So you want to make the same kind of line, and I'm going to leave some space there too. So about an inch again. So this is my second line there. So you can see it's kind of like the same shape. And then you're going to have this middle part as well. So then I'm going to use my scissors, and I'm going to cut off the corner there, kind of make it round as I can. And then I'm going to cut my first line. So up here, it's okay if it's not straight, if it's a little off of the line that you made, that's okay. Okay, so this is my first one, and then when I open it, it should kind of look like a rainbow. All right, big rainbow. And then I'm going to cut my second line. Again, you kind of want to follow along where you drew your line, go around, and then cut. So this is my second one, a little rainbow. And then here's the third one. This is kind of like a full rainbow. If you want to cut out the middle part to make it more of a rainbow, you can. And I'm just going to use some different colors. So I'm going to start off with my big piece here. And I'm just going to put some stars. I think they kind of look like snowflakes, actually. Maybe put some snowflakes here. Play around. So those are my little snowflakes here. Although it is summer, you don't want snow in the summer. All right. So we have the little markings there. Now you can decorate it however you want. You can paint it. You can use crayons, color pencils, markers. Let's see, I'm going to use green here. I'll make some polka dots on this one. We're going to make some big round polka dots. Color those in. Put them all over. Now you can actually make a rainbow on your rainbow if you'd like. Put some different color stripes on there. You want to remember all the colors of the rainbow. It's red, orange, yellow, green, blue, violet. Oh, and I forgot indigo, didn't I? Okay, so here are my polka dots. Okay, and then the big one, I think I'm just going to put little dash marks on here. Let's pick a bright color, maybe a bright pink. All right, so let's make some different marks on there. Again, you can paint it. That might be a lot more fun. You can use your fingers and paint it together or with a paintbrush. It's less messy. Sometimes we want the mess, right? All right, making different marks on here. Okay. Very cool. Now, also, if you want, since it's going to be hanging up and kind of moving in the air, you can also do the back side. So instead of just having it be on one side, decorating on one side, you can do it on the back side too. This one went through, my marker went through the paper, so you can see it on the other side. See if the little one went through. Not really. Okay, so now we have our little rainbows that are decorated. And what I'm going to do is take some of my twine here and I'm just going to cut little pieces. So you can make it short or you can make it long. I'm going to put long. Okay, so you can use your ruler to measure it out as well. Now you could tape it. So I'm going to show you how I'm going to just hole punch. No, I'll tape it first and then I'll hole punch so you can see both of them. So I just have a piece of tape here. I'm going to tape the end. I'm going to put the end there. And then I'm going to take my big rainbow here and tape it to the back. All right. Now it hangs from the rainbow there. You also want a piece up top if you're going to hang it. So maybe I'll place it in the middle. How about that? Whatever you think is best, you can do. So I'm going to leave this top part maybe for hanging, and then I'm going to place it like right in the middle of it. Tape, and I'm going to tape it to the back. So that it hangs up top. There you go. You can make a loop, or you could tie it to something. There we go. Okay. So now I'm able to hang my little rainbow here. Okay, so that's what you do when you tape it. And then I'm just going to tape the middle one, so the last one. You can see how I hole punch it together. So there's this. I'll flip it over so you can see. Just take that tape again. Piece of tape. Measure it out. So where would I like to put this? Maybe. So you can place it wherever you'd like. You can see the string hanging there too. So there's two of them. Okay. And then the last one I'm going to hole punch. So I'm just going to take my hole punch here, go from the top, push, and then sometimes it gets stuck, and then you get it out, and there's the little hole. And I'm just going to take some more of the string here. So if you want to take one big long string and tape it all together, you can. You could also hole punch that and then tie it on there. Sometimes it's easy with tape, or you can use glue depending on what you use. And then you have your little rainbow mobile. So I hope you had fun watching this, and I hope you make your own at home. And then you could always show us in the comments if you want to take a picture of it and show it to us on our page. We would love to see it. All right, so thank you for tuning in, and I'll see you again soon. Bye-bye.